This one's for you, buddy. Rest in peace. Hello, my name is Jordan Wills. I will be giving my eulogy today. First, I want to start off with a quote, one of my favorite quotes from him. Then you must speak of one that loved, not wisely, but too well. Oh dear Othello, oh how you will be missed. You were such a great man who was full of life. I understand it must have been hard to get where you were. You were surrounded by those who did not care for you. Maybe your wife did, but that wasn't enough. You deserved the world. Heaven gained an angel when you passed. I'm sorry I couldn't have been there for you when you needed me the most. I'm sad I will no longer get the opportunity to make more fun adventure memories with you. Oh, how I will miss the days where we would go on random hikes and get lost to the point where we'd have to make camp and stay the night. I'll never forget that one time, after a long day of fighting the battle, when you made us all dinner and then burnt the rice. You were so mad. But I told you it was gonna be okay. Or how your father-in-law didn't want you to marry his daughter, so you came to my house after and we shared a beer that night and laughed the entire time until we both fell asleep. The fact that he will no longer be here makes me sick. I just wish you would have listened to me and not that crazy boy named Iago. He was young and foolish. He always wanted to be you, and he knew it would never happen. I know that you never saw this dark side of him because you only wanted to see the good in others. You will be forever remembered as Othello the Christian Moor and the general of the armies of Venice. I will make sure that your memories will never be forgotten. You mean so much to me. I hope that one day I'll get to see you again in heaven. I just want to let you know that you'll be forever missed. This is not a goodbye, but I will see you later. Thanks for listening.